Hello guys, welcome to AI with Fumzi. Are you a marketer, a small business owner, or a content creator who wants to create engaging 3D marketing comic advert video just like
My
this?
brother, I dey wash clothes tire but dem still dey smell like yesterday wahala. Customers dem sef don run finish. Even fly sef no gree perch. Na so one day, Mama Yinka just waka enter my shop with one small sachet of Fragra Fresh. As I pour am, everywhere burst. Foam full basin. Omo the scent sef choke. Clothes come dey fresh like perfume wey dey boutique.
So guys, for you to create your marketing advert video, you have to go to ChatGPT. So it might be that you already have your own products in mind in case you sell bags, shoes, wigs. It might be that you have a product in mind like the one you're selling, or you might not really have a product. So if in case you don't have a product, you just want to like learn how to create this kind of video, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it suggest to you 10 different advert idea of any product. In case you have your own product, you can even put in your own product, so you can just use this text prompt and edit it. So you can tell it that it should develop that idea into a 3D Nigerian comic art type. So this is what it gives me. It gave me 10 different ideas, and the one I like most is this one, smell of money, scented detergent. So I've picked the one I want. So I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT that it should create and develop idea number 5. I put in what it is. So this is what it then gives to me, and it went ahead to put it scene by scene, but I can't really use this text prompt because it's not really descriptive. So I then went ahead again. So I think this is like scene 5. It has just scene 5 or 5 scenes. So I went ahead again so that it should give me a descriptive prompt. I told it that give a descriptive detailed text to image prompt for each scenes in a 3D pixel rendered. Make them maintain consistency, describing the clothes in a proper Nigerian setting. So it depends on the country, like how you want it to look. Hope you get me. That's the reason why I put this. So it went ahead to give me the text, like the detailed text prompt. So is this text prompt I'm going to then copy and go to our text to image generating tool to change this text to image. So for us to convert our text to image, you'll be using Sora. To access this, you have to go to your web browser and search for sora.chatgpt.com. This is it right here. So I tap on send and wait for it to open up. So guys, this is the interface of Sora. Make sure you sign up using your email address. So I've already signed up. I really love the images here on Sora. I really love the images. So once you have signed up, you tap on this very place here, and then you can see where it writes describe your video, but you are not looking for a video right now. What you want to create is an image. So you tap here to change it to image. So you can see it has changed to describe your image. So you tap here, though it does not give 16:9 aspect ratio. Yes, so just tap here. I just want something that will be in like kind of landscape. So is this very one that looks kind of landscape? So I've tapped on that, and then I'm going to paste in my text prompt. So guys, I've gone ahead to paste in my text prompt. So this is it right here, and once I am done, I tap on send and I wait for some minutes for it to actually generate the text prompt which we imputed. This is what it generated for us. As you can see, this is the image. So I'm going to choose this very one here. So I'll tap on it, and once you have tapped on the one you need or the one you like, then you are going to see 3 options right here, which is edit prompt, remix, and create video. So I'm not creating video because we are just using free version of Sora. Yeah, that is the free plan of Sora. If you want to access to create your videos, that means you have to upgrade your plan with Sora. So I'll tap on remix. here. So guys, once I've tapped on the remix option, you can see what it brings out here. So I'm going to, in this very place, that's where I'm going to paste in the text prompt for my scene 2. So make sure you have copied your scene 2. So I'm going to paste in my text prompt for scene 2. I've pasted it in, and I'm going to tap on remix. The reason why we are doing this is just for the scene 2 to look like the scene 1, like it should have this consistent or consistency from scene 1. Hope you get me. So that's the reason why we are doing this. So once I'm pasted it in, I'm going to tap on remix. This is the image which it gives to us for scene 2. Remember, we remixed scene 1 to get scene 2. So to get scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6, you have to also repeat the same process of selecting the one you feel you like. And once you have selected it, then tap on remix, and then you go ahead and paste in the next prompt for the next scene. So guys, as you can see, I have gone ahead to generate each images. Yes, I have gone ahead to generate each images. So what you have to do next is to download the images. Yes, make sure you download the images. So once you are done downloading the images, you now go ahead and animate them. Guys, I am in Halio.ai. So once you are on the website, you can actually access it through website or the app. So I'm using the website. So once you are here, just sign up, and then you'll be given 100 credits. So I'll then tap on create right here. So once I tap on create, you go ahead. This is the place you're going to upload in your image which you want to animate. So remember, that image we downloaded from Sora AI, you know that when you downloaded it, it will be in WebP. So for you to convert your WebP image to PNG, because if you upload in that WebP image to Halio.ai for it to animate, it will not work. Like, it will be telling you error something something something. So you should go ahead and convert it to PNG. So to convert it to PNG, go to Canva, upload in the image and export it. So once you export it, that image has automatically converted from WebP to PNG. So this is like a side note. So I'll tap on this on this place, and then I will select my image. That's for the scene 1, which is this is it here. So I will then upload it in, wait for some seconds for it to upload. This is network issue. So guys, I have uploaded in the image, as you can see. So this is the place I'm going to paste in my text prompt. So it's just the same way if you're also using the Haloai AI on the app. So I've uploaded in the image. So what I'm going to do next is to paste in my text prompt. It's just the same way if you are using the Haloai AI on the app. So my text prompt is, you can just use your initiative to put what you want the this to actually animate. So I said, let the man that is sitting be washing clothes, let the mama and the copper who are standing by the side frown their face due to bad smell. So once I'm done with that, it's already on this model. So I'll tap on this is going to cost 30. This is what we have here. It looks perfect. So I'll just go ahead and repeat this same process to animate the rest scenes. So also repeat the same process to animate the rest scenes.
So once you are done animating your images, the next thing you have to do is to get the voiceover you're going to use. So before you get the voiceover, you must get a text which you will convert to speech. So it might be that you want to use an AI natural hyper realistic voiceover. I've actually made a video of how you can actually, like, free AI tools you can actually use. So check out my channel and you'll see that. But in case you don't want to use any AI voicing over, like AI text to speech, you can also use your voice like how I did in that video. So just go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short, interesting, catchy note I can voice over for this product advert. It should be in
this place you can put any setting at all, because my advert is all about Nigerian setting, a typical Nigerian setting. So that's the reason why I'm using Nigerian pidgin language, just for it to be more relatable. As you can see how I wrote it there. So ChatGPT went ahead to give me a very nice text that I can actually voice over, but it was giving it scene by scene. So I went ahead to tell it to write it as a whole, and it should be short. And it went ahead to write it as a whole, and it was so short. And that was what I voiced over using my phone sound recorder, and that is how I got it. So guys, for editing your video, you can use either InShot or CapCut. I'm currently using InShot. So make sure you pick the clips, the different scenes according to their different scenes. Pick the clips according to their different scenes you get. So once you are done picking it, you and your voiceover is ready, input that also. And then for the background sounds or the sound effects you hear, you can actually go to Pixabay and actually search for the different elements that make up your video. So once you are done editing, this is what we have at last.
Brother, I dey wash cloth tire, but dem still dey smell like yesterday wahala. Customers themselves don run finish. Even fly sef no gree perch. Na so one day, Mama Yinka just waka enter my shop with one small sachet of Fragra Fresh. As I pour am, everywhere burst. Foam full basin. Omo, the scent sef choke. Clothes come dey fresh like perfume wey dey boutique. Since that day, customers dey line up for my shop like say na visa office. Fragra Fresh no be ordinary soap. Na wash wey dey smell like designer perfume. Right now, I dey cash out. Period fit show anytime, even inside class wey teacher dey shout. But no panic, my sister. When you hold Sure Lady, you dey sure for comfort. No leaks, no wahala. Just soft, secure pad wey fit you like say na custom made. So whether na morning rush or exam ten sion, carry your confidence go anywhere.